What if I told you that sciatica relief is just 30 seconds away? Watch the easiest technique to get rid of your pain fast. Namaste friends, I'm Yogi Aaron, a muscle specialist and yoga expert. Millions of people, and myself included in the past, have wake up every single day to sharp, piercing pain of sciatica. It starts in your lower back, but soon it's shooting down through your hips and legs, turning every step into a painful reminder of your condition. But what if relief was just half a minute away? Stay with me on this video as I'm about to share a quick and effective method to ease your sciatica pain, making your worst days much more manageable. So let's dive into how to get rid of your sciatica pain. So what I'd like you guys to do is we're gonna come down and lie down onto our stomach on the mat. All right, friends. So we're gonna come down and lie in this pose called Sphinx pose. This is a fantastic way to begin to deal with sciatic pain. We're gonna stay here for about 5 minutes, more or less, and then we're going to do some more extension practices, and then we're going to do a couple of strengthening practices. So this is my 10-minute hack to help deal with sciatic pain. Staying in this pose, if you want to, for example, if you have sciatic pain going down your left leg, so this is my left leg, what I'm gonna do is kind of walk my elbows a little bit over to my right, and then I'm going to extend that left leg just a little bit more. And this begins to open up the vertebrae and open up those pain receptor nerves just a little bit. So this is just really nice. We can kind of hang out here for about a minute or so, inhaling deeply and exhaling deeply. You might already sometimes start to feel relief in this pose. So let's come back to the center. Now we're going to do a little bit more extension work. So you're gonna come down, bring your forehead down to the floor, bring your hands to the space underneath your shoulders, and then I want you to widen the hands just a little bit. Let the elbows just come to neutral, okay? So they're neither out nor in. Just let them hang wherever they are. See if you can pull the shoulder blades back a bit, and then push yourself up. And then come on down. And let's do that a few times. Come on up. And then come on down. Now come on up. Do that a few more times. Relax your glutes. Don't let your glutes tighten up. All the work that you're doing is through your hands and pushing yourself up. Now, if you want to, this is also nice. Look over your left shoulder and then come on down. And then we're gonna come on up and look over our right shoulder. And come on down. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is get our glutes working properly. So bend one knee. Let's all start with my left knee so that you can see. I'm going to bring one hand to my left glute and just tell that glute, engage, 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 and then lift the leg up. Now you don't have to lift up far. Again, we're just working on doing some muscle activation. Keep that pelvic bone down into the ground as you lift the leg up, and then come on down. Bend the knee and lift it up again. And then come on down. Bend the knee and lift up again. Good, let's do it on the other side now. So bend your right knee, engage that right glute, and then lift it up. Okay, so you're driving the heel of the foot upwards, and then come on down. Bend the knee, engage the glute, lift it up. Getting the glutes working is so important. When you have sciatic pain, one of the muscles that stops working and then come on down is your glutes, and your glutes are the shock absorbers of the body. The glutes aren't working, every problem that you're experiencing is just going to get worse We have to get the glutes working. Okay, so the next pose we're gonna do is some pose to get the lower back muscles working. So lift the legs up and lift your chest. This might be a little challenging for you as you might be experiencing pain from the sciatica. So if that's true for you, and then come on down. Lift up just a little, maybe lift the legs about 1/4 of an inch. If you're Canadian, that's like 3 or 4 centimeters, not a lot. Lift from the inner thighs and then come on down. Have your hands on your lower back so you can feel the lower back muscles engaging. Lift the legs up just a little bit, lift the chest, and then come on down. And lift the legs. Now, if you can come up higher, of course, do that. But that's not really important. What is important is that we start activating the muscles. By you just starting to lift the legs a little bit, you're gonna start waking up those muscles. You're waking up that neuromuscular connection. And then come on down. And then come on up one more time. And then come on down. Right now, most of us who are dealing with sciatic pain have muscles that are around our spine and are not working properly. I hope this practice was beneficial to you to live your best pain-free life so that you can manifest the purpose of your life joyfully.